In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Maps offline. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up Maps. Now it's essential that you set this up while you have an internet connection, so you are able to view these maps offline or next time your internet goes off. So open up Google Maps and then tap on your profile picture at the top right, and there where it says offline maps, you want to tap on offline maps, and maps will update over Wi-Fi. Okay, got it. Now I'm going to select your own map. I'm going to tap on that and now download a map of this area. Okay, so basically I'm going to go ahead and select the area I want to download, then tap on download, and this is basically the place that I want to download. You can see it's downloading right now, and it should be done in any moment. And now it's done. Now I can go ahead and tap on that map and I can view it offline. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.